Hello and welcome back to Zeke's RC. I just scored something on the used market here in Salt Lake City that's going to pertain to this channel. And if you're used to seeing my wall here, you can probably see it up there. It's this guy right there. Let's get that guy on the bench and tell you all about it. Okay, I don't know if your used RC scene is terrible like ours here in Salt Lake City, but it seems like anybody that's trying to sell one of these wants like full price and then some for it, especially if it's been modded at all. But this one was quite different. This was awesome. So this is a TRX4 Sport. I've been looking for a TRX4, at least a chassis, so I can use my old Blazer body that's up there on top of my toolbox. So I scored this guy, was keeping an eye on this one. It was on the used market for a while. Guy had it on sale. And obviously, if you're familiar with the TRX4, you can see that this guy's been modded and upgraded a little bit. Alright, so let's talk about this truck. TRX4 Sport High Trail. This guy runs 369 brand new. Okay. And then let's talk about the upgrades that this thing came with. When I bought it just like this, you're seeing exactly how I bought it. So, Proline Hyrux tires. These are Treal brass wheels. So, aluminum beadlock wheels. We got the full light kit in this thing. See that guy there? You got the full on. It has rock lights. It has tail lights, headlights, and the light bar all light up. Get this thing unplugged. Show you guys. Sorry about the camera there. There we go. Just trying to unplug that. So there you go. So light bar, headlights, the light bar in the front works, and full light kit. So the light kit's $110. Like I said, the truck was $369 if you buy it new. No other mods, so she's got the stock ESC and the stock motor. But I got a 5800 series 2-cell with it. Okay. The tires, the wheels, and then look at these links, guys. It has upgraded. These blue links aren't stock. As well as the shocks. The shocks are blue and upgraded and longer on this thing. He says he put a lift kit in it. So I think this thing does sit higher than the regular High Trail. Because it's pretty tall. And doesn't squish as much as I'd like it to. So some of that might come out of it. But so don't know what the links are worth. And I know shocks. These just kind of look like Amazon shocks, so the shocks should be 20 or 30 bucks. The links are probably about the same price. So I know Proline tires, you're what, $36 for a pair of them, so about $70 in the tires. The wheels are about 30 bucks worth. So anyway, kind of totaling all this up to give you an idea, I paid $200 for this truck is all. Think it got me a pretty good deal on this one, don't you think? I think so. So let me know what the used market's like in your area. If it's people that just want too much for beat up old trucks like we experience here. But every once in a while there's a unicorn and you can score. This guy had been trying to sell this one for a while. Said he just needed money for his duck hunt that he's going on this weekend, so I didn't feel like it took advantage of him too bad because I had to drive clear to Clearfield. I had to drive about 50 miles to go get this thing. But I feel like I scored pretty good on this one. That's why I picked it up. And I'll show you the major reason why I wanted it. The wife and I are here at the Wardell Crawler Park, as I call it, and I have a new truck to show you guys. So we waited till almost dark. It's been rainy and kind of cloudy all day, but it is just past sunset, so it's gonna get dark on us, and that's perfect timing to feature this truck. So without further ado, let's get into this.